I have been doing my nails at home for more than 7 years now, and I have never been to a nail salon except for this one time, which was for a collaboration. So I thought I'd show you like a step by step of my quick nail care routine followed by how I paint my nails. And if you're thinking to start doing your nails at home all by yourself, I hope this helps. Everything I'm using today is linked in the description in case you wanna buy it. Okay, so first it's time to say bye to this old polish that is a little bit chipped. I think it's always better to keep your nails bare than have chipped polish on. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I only use regular nail polishes, no gels, dip powders or stuff like that. I just am really scared of gels for some reason and I cannot bring myself to try it, but that's okay, I guess. Let's now do some nail care. I'm starting with this cuticle exfoliator. I apply this on my nails like so and wait for about a minute to let it do its job. Then using a metal cuticle pusher, I very gently push back the cuticles, get rid of the dead skin on the nail, and that is literally all I do. I do not like to trim the skin around my nails or something like that. But to prevent dry skin, I apply nail oil or cuticle balm multiple times every day, and trust me, it makes a world of difference. Okay, so after I was done with this, I quickly washed my hands and decided to shape my nails a little bit. Now I understand if you feel that the glass nail file is a bit pricey, but you'll probably not find a check glass or crystal nail file at this price point in India. It really is a steal deal for y'all. Check out the link in the description. Okay, so nail care is done. Now let's first apply base coat. I never skip this step to avoid getting nail polish stains on my nails. If you wear nail polishes quite often, your nails will turn yellowish because of the pigment. So to avoid that, do not skip a base coat. Next, I'm applying 2 coats of this summery yellow shade. Actually, I applied a 3rd coat as well for full opacity, and I skipped the top coat because I thought that would take forever to dry. Now, while you're at it, you can also quickly apply exfoliator on your toenails and get rid of the crusty cuticles. Your toenails will thank you for that. Anywho, this is how I do my nails at home. It's just a few simple steps and you can try doing it at home too. It's beginner friendly. And yeah, that's all about this video. Drop your queries in the comments if any, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.